Yeah, you want to come sit on the bench over here?
I think we're about to light it.
Reagan!
Caroline, will you run up and turn the water on for me? It is on. It's probably okay.
If there are stragglers like this,
They're scraping it up to make it not like all over the place.
I know this heart got power, these eyes got power, this love got power, this touch got power, so this heart got power, these eyes got power. I feel it in my veins, I'm dancing every day like I am finally alive. I'm gonna set my world on fire. I will never dim my light. I'm gonna set my world on fire. Oh, this ain't no magic. This is for real, no plastic. This ain't no magic. I thought I never could have it. Whoa, I am finally alive. I'm gonna set my world on fire. So watch me burn.
what are you doing? For what? The bonfire. Can we do this slick back?
Do we got there? Oh my gosh. What song is playing? Wow, that was so peaceful. Totally not chaotic like it just was. Well, it is the next day, and my voice is a little bit better, but it's still going. We haven't put any lighter stuff on it at all. It's going great. All we did was use a blower and add leaves.
Help!
Help you?
Help you? Okay.
I always try and put Grayson in these once in my videos. Because
Meow, meow. Meow, meow songs.
you want the meow meow song?
I'll never get used to this.